Hello, today I will guide you on how to print multiple pages on one sheet of paper. Step 1, open the print menu. Open your Word document, click on File in the top left corner, select Print from the menu. Step 2, select the number of pages per sheet. On the right side of the print settings, look for the option Pages per Sheet, usually near the bottom. On the right side of the print settings, look for the option Pages per Sheet, usually near the bottom. Click on the drop-down menu, choose the number of pages you want to print per sheet. Step 3, print your document. Once you've selected the desired number of pages per sheet, review your settings. Click Print to print your document. That's it. A quick and easy way to save paper and make your prints more compact. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.